My name's Cath and I work here in the archive. I'm the conservator. Today we're going to be cleaning one of the many signs that were taken from the Longbridge factory when it closed down. The reason that we clean things is to remove dirt which can be harmful to the artefact or the document. Sometimes dirt can harbour moisture, which will increase the likelihood of mould growth. Dirt can also provide a nice meal for a little pest somewhere, so that's never a good thing, especially with wood, which this sign is made from. So it may take some time, so we're going to speed the video up for you so you won't get too bored. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.